Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel once again. Today be doing a quick video regarding the Ram TRX. So you've been with the channel for a while now. You probably have known that I went ahead and installed a oil catch can in one of these things. Very common modification done to not only the TRX, but just Ram 1500s in general. I did a whole video series with my Rebel when we went ahead and installed the oil catch can on that, and then I would do periodic videos on mileage checkpoints with the oil catch can. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. It's been just about about somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 miles since I went ahead and got the UPR oil catch can thrown in here. So today I have a oil change scheduled. The cars are filthy, so need to go ahead and start doing a little bit of just cleanup and maintenance stuff. So figured perfect timing to go ahead and check on the oil catch can, see if it's really doing its job, how much oil is collected, and if this modification is something you guys should be investing in for your trucks. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we dive into everything, why don't you guys stop, go down below right now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Those are two things that I always really appreciate, make my day. Hit another subscriber. We're very close to hitting 5,000 subs, which in the grand scheme of things isn't that many subscribers, but to me it means a whole lot. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. And obviously let's go in here. So, big old engine in here, and then right over here you can see we got the JLT Oil Catch Can just connected. So what we want to do, go ahead and unthread it from its base, and then we can go ahead and check on what's been collected in there. I'd recommend throwing a little some sort of cloth or something down there to just catch any oil that might come out. So let's go ahead, hopefully nothing drips. Oh, come on. There's definitely some oil on the threads, so let's see. Come on, what did it get caught on here? There we go. Oh yeah, definitely got some oil in there. All right, let me go ahead and get a better angle. All right, so as you can see, oil catch can is definitely doing its job here. It'd be kind of hard to see since it's black can, so we're going to pour it into this clear bottle, and then you can get a good representation of how much oil was collected over 5,000 miles. All right, so there you can see, just went ahead and funneled it in there, and it's basically right at that first little notch for how much oil, how much, volume-wise. I have no idea how much oil that is, but I would say over 5,000 miles, at max 5,000 miles, that's a pretty good amount of oil that's being catched from being recirculated through your intake and all that. So yeah, just thought I'd go ahead and show you guys right there, because it's pretty nasty. So for those of you out there wondering if installing one of these oil catch cans is worth it, I mean, I'll let you be the deciding factor there. To me, it's definitely worth it. Oil catch cans like $120. So I mean, if you want to preserve the life of your $70,000 to $100,000 truck, I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer to me. So yep, just thought I'd go ahead and show you guys that. So super simple to do. Just pour out the oil whenever you're going to go ahead and do one of these things, and then just go ahead and rethread the catch can on there, and you're all set. So yeah, pretty quick video today. Just kind of wanted to go ahead and share this little bit of information with you guys. So I'll go ahead and I'll tighten that down in a little bit. But once again, guys, If you like these types of videos, you like the TRX, you like my content, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, make my day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.